You know it's MP, the Jamaican Greenface, studying radio wildlife. Stay away, gonna get burned by the fire. Bitches be underneath praising me like the Messiah. Nigga, I pull up with the gun, nigga, it's a shredder. Nigga, I pull up, I kill people for the better. Nigga, I kill people in every fucking letter in the alphabet. Pull up with the intricate, nigga, your life I'm gonna take. Nigga, you know I got money in my yard like little rake. Nigga, I'm not a baker, but I'll whip the pot. Nigga, make a knot, these niggas gonna plot. So I put them in the ground to rot. Brain gonna splat, wipe up my foot in their face just like a mat. Fuck a bitch and I post it on Snapchat. Nigga, and I don't got the time for the talking. My gun do the talking, ayy. Walk chalk. Everybody know I pull up with the gun like a dog, ayy. Nigga, pull up in your place with the shotty in your face. On your brain get erased, bullets you're gonna taste. Nigga, I'ma spray it in your face like mace. Nigga, I leave your body without a trace. MP, they better stay away from the fire. Bitches be underneath praising me like the Messiah. Nigga, I be hot like the motherfucking sun. Nigga, this me gotta motherfucking run. Skin gonna burn. Niggas better learn. Nigga, I got the money because I fucking earn it. So when I ready, nigga, I fucking burn it. Hey, they better stay away from the clique. Nigga got money wrapped up in rubber bands. Nigga got bricks. Nigga got bitches. Nigga, my trigger finger, it itches. Killing some snitches. Nigga going for the bread, I'm going for the riches. Nigga, I'm not chill with my clique. Nigga, if you're this, your brain gonna fly. Nigga, your brain gonna take a flight to Dubai. Hey, stay away from the clique. You better know, MP, I ain't looking for no foes, but I will just fuck your hoe. If I catch you there, I'll kill you too. Nigga, transform like I'm Goku. Chop it with a samurai sword, samurai jack. These niggas smoking on motherfucking crack. Nigga get brown, then I get fucking black. But you don't know nothing about fucking that. Nigga, you know I got a lot of cash. Nigga, and these bitches scratch your skin like a rash when they see my fucking cash. So, these niggas better stay away. Pull up in all black like I'm Darth Vader. Killing all these pussy ass niggas, they're haters. Nigga, I'm a disintegrator. Nigga, kill you, then I tell you later. Ha. Nigga, I'ma kill you, tell you later. Nigga, I'ma kill you for the paper. Calling up my money to buy a couple of acres. Nigga, I'm a rich nigga. Ain't nothing to pull up and fuck your bitch, nigga. As I said before, my trigger figure itch, nigga. Kill a nigga, leave his body in a ditch, nigga.